Welcome everyone. Today I have got a treat for you. My top 10 assets from the Unity asset store that are perfect for the learning. Let's dive in right in. Number 1, we are kicking off with the terrain tools with the sample asset. This powerhouse package with the Unity technologies is a game changer. It's come loaded with the 35 top quality terrain buses, giving you the ability to craft awe-inspiring landscape from the dramatic canyons to the majestic mountains, and 6 PBR-ready materials layers. Moving to the next one, number 2, dive in with the Nature Starter Kit created by the SIBs. It's your passport to creating a fantastical forest and meadows packed with the diverse trees, bushes, ground textures, and even with the captivative skybox material. And number 3 is the ready to shape the land and the rocky hill environment packed by the Tommy with a plethora of low poly rocks, trees, PBR materials. It's a one-stop shop for the unleashing your creativity level designs genius. Number 4, let's talk tropical vibes with the coconut palm tree pack by Bloody Snowball. Unlock a collection of the 12 exquisite palm trees that will add a touch of paradise to your scenes. That here's a secret sauce. When you convert them to HDRP and enable material translucency, magic happens. Number 5, brace yourself with the flooded grounds backed by the Sandro Tea. Apocalypse meets stunning visuals with the diverse range of architectural structures, grass, trees, waters, all meticulously optimized for the jaw-dropping level design. Immerse yourself with the post-apocalypse horror aesthetic. Number 6, take your sense to new heights with the Conifer pack. Derived from the Unity's that demo project and polished to perfection, these trees offer translucent lighting, wind animation, and smooth LED transitions, perfect for adding to your virtual worlds. Number 7 is the transport yourself to the realm of the Sun Temple, again by the Sandro Tea. This treasure trove comes with a professional grade asset, a demo scene insight into the optimized level design, complex shaders, perfect particle effects, and more. Number 8, don't miss out the outdoor ground textures backed by the Adobe's Live software with a 14 high resolution ground textures completed with a normal metallic AO and height maps. It textures lowers the paradise and tune with the PBR material. Number 9, go with the realistic terrain color collection by the 40 AMP Creations. Pictures perfect terrains inspired by the real world locations. And the last one is the experience with the beauty of grass flower pack tree by ALP8310. It's not just a grass, it's a pack of 12 stunning 1K resolution grass flower textures. Your terrain will never look the same again. And hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for the more games, genuine content. Until the next time.